Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set your GMC Yukon garage door opener. First, park your vehicle directly outside your garage, ensuring a clear line of sight. It is crucial to have a working handheld garage door remote with a new battery for optimal signal strength. To begin, clear any old programming by pressing and holding the two outside home link buttons, usually found near your rearview mirror, for approximately 10 to 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes quickly. Now, let's sync your Yukon with your handheld remote. Select one of the three home link buttons you wish to program. Position your handheld remote about 1 to 3 inches from this chosen home link button. Press and hold both the home link button and your garage door remote button at the same time. Keep holding until the home link indicator light, which initially blinks slowly, begins to flash rapidly. Once it flashes quickly, release both buttons. For garage door openers with rolling code technology, an additional step is required. Head into your garage and locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit. This button is often found near the antenna wire. Press and immediately release this button. You typically have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your Yukon and firmly press and release the home link button you just programmed, repeating this action up to 3 times. After completing the programming, test your home link button to ensure it successfully operates your garage door. If the door does not respond, do not worry. Simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, a fresh battery in your handheld remote can significantly improve the signal. Always ensure your garage door opener is compatible with the home link system for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.